Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your man Mike. Today we out here, get some work in. Late rainy night, but F all that, we gonna put some money in today. It's drizzling and it ain't the best environment today. A little depressing, but we gonna fight it out today. Our challenge for today is gonna be 100 pull-ups and 100 push-ups. It sounds kind of hard, sounds kind of light, so we gonna see what it feels like. I'm a little bit more nervous about the pull-ups. The push-ups, I'm sure we can knock those out, little 25s, but the pull-ups, maybe we'll hit them out groups of 10, try maybe a little bit more, slow it down towards the end. But the whole goal of today is just get some money, get off our ass and put some extra work in. So if you like this type of content, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all out there. Yeah. Nice little rain workout. The weather is not a valid excuse to stop you. I mean, I get it if it's pouring rain or whatever, it's going stupid, it's like a thunderstorm. You can get it in the crib, but otherwise it's like, why not enjoy it? It's God's gift, so, you know, it only comes once in a while. I mean, I appreciate it, but this is me. Let's get it. First 10. Set 2. Got 3 more. It's 20. Yeah, now I'm loving the nature though. It's a low-key lost count, but I say we around 40 on the push-ups, 20 on the pull-ups. God damn. 100's a bit crazy, but I'm about to start breaking them down now already. Probably in the 5s. 5 at a time. Set number 3. It's actually a beautiful day out here. It's raining. Ain't nobody putting no type of work in. If we go to the park, there ain't no point. So I'm gonna get in right here, just across the street. It's free money. You ain't gotta do the full 100. If you're a beast, if you're a Super Saiyan, go do the 100. Otherwise, just get out here, get the work in, get better. It's 25. We're a quarter of the way there. Same thing we just did, 4 more times. Fuck, it's kind of nasty out here, matter of fact. Thirty on y'all. Y'all think we gonna finish it? Or y'all think we quitting? Write it down below. $35, $35. I know you're gonna violate my form too, but it ain't about that right now. Right now it's just about to work. I'm gonna try my best to keep it strict, but for the whole 100, I'm gonna use my body, so. It's 40. Yeah, we was running from them push-ups, but we back. $40, almost halfway there on them pull-ups. My God. Fuck me. I'm gonna count it, y'all. I know that shit don't count. So I can't count it. That's 50. That's 50, we halfway there. Just do that one more time and we good. Take your time with them. That's another thing. Don't let nobody rush you. Shit, if you need water, my fault, I'm gonna just scoop that here. If you need water, y'all, get your water. Take your time. It's just about getting it done. And effort. That's all that matters in this world is effort. Oh. Damn. My fault. That's a sad set. That's a sad one. But we did 55. 45 more. I might just have to slow him down. Maybe get him in 2 or 3s. I'm at like 57, 58. It's a fact. 2 more, I'm at 60. Nah, you good, you good. That's 60. Damn. But we on it. Let's go. New Year right around the corner. It's about to be Christmas. Y'all about to get everything I ever wanted. And if you're not, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to go get it for yourself. So start the new year off right by setting yourself up to succeed. And it just starts with a day one. I'm cheating like fuck. 63. It's only 3 of them. 65. We're at 70. 30 more. What? mindset. That's all it is. Act like you just started. $74. Is that even it? I don't know. 75. The number is 100. So don't leave from the goal. $77. That's 80. We had 80. 80 flat. Trying to find a way out, but the only way is through. It's 82 clean. It's 84. $88. $89. $90. Last 10. Man. $91. $92. $93. $94. $95. You right there. 5 more. 5 more. So we gonna quit or we gonna finish it? Write it down. Two more. 98. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Scroll down all the videos we done dealt this past year. 2025, it's about to be the takeover, so just stay tuned. Good there. Feeling my shoulders and all that. Yeah, that's 100. That's it. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Take care. Peace.